Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to transfer files from Samsung Galaxy to USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, USB is here. Insert in phone, that's not possible. Need connector and you will see. After connect, you will see C-type pin is insert in phone. After insert phone, go to app library. Click on Files app. After click on Files app, click on internal storage and select file and click on this three dot icon and click on select. After click on select and click on copy and you will see select USB and create new folder, copy here. After click on copy here, so that's how you can transfer files from Samsung to USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.